Hello friends, very good afternoon. Myself Dr. M.H. Annaya, and in this video we are going to draw the development of a hexagonal pyramid which is cut by a section plane inclined to VP and perpendicular to HP. So basically friends, in all these developments it involves two steps. In the initial step, which is very important, we are going to place the object, whether it is a pyramid or a cone or a cylinder, depending upon its orientation with the vertical plane. Here, the question reads like this: a hexagonal pyramid of side of base 30 mm and height 60 mm, resting on its base on HP, with an edge of the base parallel to VP. We will stop at this. So we have to place the object on HP. There is a hexagonal pyramid such that one of the base edges is parallel to VP, or two of the base edges parallel to VP. It is one and the same. So we will construct a hexagon of the given side and mark these corners as A, B, C, D, E and F. This is how we mark these corners. O dash is the vertex, O1 dash is the center of the base. We will transfer all these points one by one. Here you get A dash. This is B dash F dash. This is C and E, C dash E dash. Finally, this is D dash. O dash O1 dash represents the axis of the pyramid which is perpendicular to the HP. So whenever any solid is placed on HP, the axis is always perpendicular to HP. And this carries around 50% of the marks allocated for this particular question in the examination. Next friends, let's continue with the problem and see about the section plane. It is cut by a section plane inclined at 60 degrees to VP. So inclined to VP, obviously it is going to be perpendicular to HP, and it is at an angle of 60 degrees to VP, and it has to pass through the vertex of the solid. Vertex is O dash. That O we can mark here. This is O comma O1. O is the vertex, and it has to pass through the vertex but inclined at an angle of how much? 60 degrees to VP. So the inclination to VP can be seen only in the top view. So friends, we will draw a line passing through this vertex inclined at an angle. Friends, if you are good in mathematics, this will certainly give you some clue and say that when you pass a line through the vertex, it has to pass through two corners of the base. Suppose say this is one corner, other corner, this is the vertex. So friends, this angle as per the problem is going to be how much is inclined. So they have not given it. Inclined at 60 degrees to HP, it should be VP, right? This angle is to be 60 degree. So there is a small information which I would like to give at this point. Friends, this interior angle in a hexagon is 120 degrees. So the section plane should pass through this and this. And all these triangles, what you see in the top view, are all equilateral triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 triangles you have got. And in this construction of the top view and marking of the section plane SS, say the section plane is SS, which is passing through the vertex. If the construction of the hexagon is not correct, then you will not get the section plane passing through exactly this corner and about this corner. So you should be very careful while constructing the figure, friends. Friends, now what we will do, say we will throw away this part and draw the development for this. So I am going to show that part of the solid by dark lines or visible lines. we'll mark them like this. So this is the portion that is retained for the purpose of development. So up to here, 1, 2, 3 pieces should be there. Now friends, we are going to draw the development of this part of the pyramid. Now, to draw the development of the pyramid, as per the simple guidelines, we should have the true length of all the slant edges in case of pyramids. Friends, if you observe the top view, this slant edge OD is parallel to XY. So whenever a line is parallel to VP, its corresponding front view will give the true length. So OD is parallel to VP, and hence this will give you, this line O dash D dash will give you the true length of the line. So utilizing this true length, we have to construct the sector for drawing the development of pyramid. So friends, I will take this length with center O, that is the vertex, and this length is equal to true length. So taking center O and true length as the radius, I am going to draw an arc. So friends, here on this arc, we have to step up 6 divisions on this arc, each equal to 30. Suppose say this is 30, second 30, third, fourth, fifth, and say this is the last one. So there should be 6 base edges for this. So I am going to join that through this. And through all these points of division, I am going to draw very thin lines, the construction lines, to show the slant edges. So this is how we draw, friends. Now, friends, if you see, we are retaining the right side part of the pyramid for development, and this left side portion is removed. In other words, if you observe closely, one half of the total pyramid is removed. That is 1, 2, 3. This part is removed and that part is retained here. Friends, OA is removed, OB is removed, and now we can have the development from say point OF or point, what is called, this point is OC. You can start from one of these or any of these slant edges. Let's see. Let's say we are going to start it from the point F. Nothing wrong in it. So F, this is G, point H, G F only. A, B, C, D, F only, no G. Then again A, B, C, D. Because F is the last point. A, B, C, D, E, and again F, because the first and the last point on this base should have the same numbering. Friends, let us see how the section plane is passing. It is passing through the corner F. That F is here. Again, it is passing through the point C. That C is here. Again, it is passing through the vertex O. That vertex O here. So basically, we have got 2 points on the base, that is at F and C, 1 that is at the vertex. So friends, now we have to join these points, and as you observe here, one half of the total solid is retained. In the development, you got 6 total number of triangular faces when you join these by straight lines. And in the development, you should have only 3 triangles, because totally half the portion of the solid is removed by the section plane. So friends, what I do, since this has got 3 points, say point number 1, point number 2, and point number 3, I am going to retain this part as the development. So let me join 1 to 2 by a vertical line, 1 to 3 by another vertical line, and you see ABF, that this portion, FEDC, FEDC portion is to be retained, FEDC. So we will just mark like this. Friend, now we have got these 3 points. O is 1 point, 2, 3, etc. The portion retained is should have the triangles OCD. O, this is C, this is C, D. So that triangle. So we'll go by this method. It becomes easy. This is OCD and that base should be shown by full line. So OCD is 1. Next we have got OED, the second. I am going to join O to E, and this base is completely retained. And finally we have got OCD, OED, OFE, OEF. Where is that OEF? This is OEF. So these are the 3 triangles which are shown by dark lines here, and that part is retained, and very obviously the last portion is to be removed. I will tell you how. This is a thin line actually. So this will give you this portion, 1, 2, 3 triangles will give you development of P. And if you observe, friend, in the development, OA, OB are totally removed. So OA is removed, OB is removed, and this OF and OC are also removed. So you are going to have only this much portion as the development. That is, these 3 triangles which are isosceles in nature and having base edge equal to 30. This is 30, 30 and 30. This part is totally removed. To show the construction, you can simply have a thin line like this, and all this portion below this is removed. So when the section plane, which is vertical, passing through the vertex of the solid and inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal, to the vertical, you are going to have the development as 3 triangles which are isosceles in nature. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. Please go through the complete video without skipping anything in between. And if you like this video, please share with all your friends without fail. And friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful day.